Hi everybody, and welcome to Northland Pines Middle School first ever Digital Learning Day. For Computers 7 A-Day classes, here's what we'll be doing today. Instead of continuing our group project, which would be very difficult right now seeing as we're all at our own homes, so instead we're going to do an activity that I had planned to use a little bit further down the road this and that is getting to know and use Google Keep. So in this Digital Learning Day folder here in Schoology, you'll see an assignment that's called Using Google Keep. It gives you a little bit of background information, which is also on directions document, which you should also open as well. Now, Google Keep is a note-taking app developed by Google. Keep is available on the web and has mobile apps for both Android and iOS mobile operating systems and is now integrated into most Google applications, so things like Google Slides and Google Documents has it available. Keep offers a variety of tools for taking notes, including text, checklists, lists, images, and audio. You can also set both time and location-based reminders or alerts or notifications, and you can click that link to find out more about location-based notification. And you can also share notes with collaborators. In fact, that's how you're going to get credit for doing today's assignment, is to create a Keep note and add me as a collaborator. Did you know that many students actually use Google Keep to keep track of their activities and assignments for their classes? Again, in this activity, you'll create a Keep note and share it with me. What follows are some step-by-step directions and some screenshots to show you exactly what to do and what to look for when using Google Keep. But first, to open Google Keep, you can either go to your apps listing right here, and it might be among the apps shown. You might have to hit the arrow button to go to another page to find it. You can also go to any of your Google apps, such as your Google Drive, and find the Apps Launcher. And then it should be listed among your apps there. When you open it up, it's going to look something like this. This is the desktop version of Google Keep. Sometimes it'll pop open in a standalone window, and it will look similar on mobile, except narrower, right? But as you can see in here, I've got a couple of Keep notes already started and already shared with me, in fact. Here's a checklist, here's a note, here's a picture. It's real easy to use. Right up at the top where it says take a note, this is where you'll take a note. Give it a title. Right? Then make some kind of note. It can be a regular note or others. You could also do it as a checklist. There's some options here to show check boxes like that. And then you can do a list item. You could make it for homework. So maybe you have to do some reading. Maybe you have to do math problems 456 through 477. And you can keep adding list items. Some people like this, and then you can check them off and they get crossed off when they're done. It's kind of nice. We also want you to change the color of your note right here, and then finally add your instructor as a collaborator in order to receive full credit. So at Keep, here's where you change the color. Here's where you can add an image. Again, here's some other options. But right here, the little person icon, that's what you want to click on. And since you're using your Northland Pines School District account, all Northland Pines users should be automatically available, just like when you use your G. So if you start typing somebody's name, it should pop up just like that. After you've done that, make sure you do hit save, and I will then receive a notification that you've added me as a collaborator on this Keep note. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you want to learn more about using Google Keep, like where you could use it, what you can use it for, how to get started, there's a resource linked right there on the directions document. Now, upon our return, we'll continue on with our Unit 1 Lesson 9 activity, our App Idea Proposal. If you have time, you should go into Schoology and double check to make sure you've submitted all the different activities we've been doing from Unit 1. Have a great day.